This review is of Second Nature Premium Duo High in Antioxidant Vitamin E. It's cashews and almonds, and no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. 11 grams of protein, non-GMO. And that looks like that's it on the front. Yay. And then on the back, nothing else that I can see. So the package has got 28 grams of fat, of which 3.5 are saturated, no trans fats or cholesterol, 180 milligrams of sodium, 14 grams of carbs, of which 4 dietary fiber, 3 are sugars that are not added, and 11 grams of protein. And the ingredients are almonds, cashews, sunflower oil, and sea salt. All right, well, let's give it a try, I guess. Too bad they had to put salt on it. You know, we get way too much salt in our diet. And I'm sure they're happy because, you know, they make so much money off of us. But let's try the cashews first. I got a couple here. So much better when they're not salted. It just interferes with the beautiful flavor they have with sweetness. The almonds are pretty blah, so I can kind of understand almonds being salted, but cashews, pistachios, never. It's stupid. Well, let's try it all together then. Yeah, it's okay. I still prefer unsalted cashews. The combination kind of balances out the weakness of the almond. I'll give it a 6.5. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.